The world is a total dumpster fire right now, which is why I like to take solace in my simple pleasure of my morning routine. Your morning routine starts at night. Before I go to bed, I like to set my programmable coffee maker so that there's a fresh pot of coffee as soon as I wake up. I wake up and tell myself that every day is a blessing. For instance, I'm blessed that I don't have to get up an hour early to commute into work. The only commute I'm doing is from my bed to my desk. They're about 5 feet apart. And then I like to take some time and meditate. And by meditate, I mean check Instagram and Twitter and judge people who are not social distancing. Then I pour my coffee with just a splash of milk and I don't stir it. Every sip has a different amount of coffee and milk and it's like a new surprise every time. You never know what you're gonna get. For an easy breakfast, I take some of the sweet cereal I liked as a kid and I mix it with bland cereal I like as an adult. That way, not too sweet. Then I settle down and I turn on my favorite morning show. It's actually a show from the night before. I record Jeopardy and I watch it in the morning to get my mind going. Then when I get ready, I use all the fancy soaps that I've saved from hotels in the past. It feels like I'm in a faraway exotic land, but I haven't left my apartment in months. By starting my day this way, I can forget all the horrors outside and just enjoy my simple pleasure.